Hello, guys, welcome back to Proggy. You might have been in a situation where you have like 20, 30, or 40 tabs open every day. I have been in that situation too quite often. And today I'll show you one extension which can make your life a little bit easier by doing this. Can you see that? All tabs collapsed into one page. So today we will talk about OneTab, an extension that will clean up your browser in just one click. So, what is OneTab in a nutshell? It is a free Chrome extension that instantly collapses all your open tabs into a single list and hereby saving memory, reducing your clutter, and keeping your browser fast. Now, I'll show you how to install the extension. For that, go to the application menu of Google Chrome. From there, go to extensions, visit Chrome Web Store, and just type OneTab in the search box. Just see this particular icon and the name of the extension properly. The feature tag will also be there because it is a featured extension by Google. Now you have to just click on Add to Chrome button, click on Add Extension, and that's it. The extension is loaded. Sometimes it gets hidden. For that, you have to just click on this particular icon of extensions and click here, Pin. So this will ensure that it is continuously showing up in the menu bar. Now, how to use OneTab? So consider this situation where you have a lot of tabs open. Just you have to click the OneTab extension icon here. And this is the first time, that's why it's asking for this permission. Just click on allow. And it will collapse all the open tabs into this particular page. From here, you can restore any tab which you like. Just click on that and it will open up. Now, if you want to bring them back again, then you have to again click on this OneTab icon. Then it will come, but in a different tab group actually. You can also restore them all at once in a new window. So let's try that. If you click on restore all, that will open all the tabs up here. Now, some cool additional features also of OneTab. You can lock a particular tab group. So this will ensure that it is not deleted accidentally. You can also name a tab group, like let's say we name this aircraft. By that, you can remember it properly. Then you can star it, you can copy the links to clipboard and all that stuff. This feature you might not need often, but you can also share all the tabs which are there in a particular group and share them as a web page. So this data actually goes to OneTab's website, and here you get a shareable link. You have to just copy this particular link and give it to the person you want to share that with. So by using OneTab, you will dramatically reduce your Chrome's memory usage, sometimes by over 90%. So that's it for this particular episode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. I'll be meeting you again soon. Bye.